let's discuss a bit about the elements of the business plan. The length of the business plan varies from businesses to business. All of the information should fit into 15 to 20 page document, not more than that. But I have seen business plan which has gone into hundreds of pages, but they were established company who are running their operations for last 5 years or so. If there are crucial elements of the business plan which are taking a lot of space, such as application for patents, customer feedbacks, prototype designs, they should be referenced into the business plan and included as appendix. As mentioned above, no two business plan are the same. But still, there are some sections which need to be same in all 4 sets of business plan. And these sections are: first one, executive summary. This section outlines the company and includes the mission statement with any information about the company's leadership, employee, operations and location. Second one, product and services. Here the company can outline the product and services that it will offer and may also include pricing, product lifespan and benefits to the customers. Other factors that may go into this section include production and manufacturing processes, any patent that the company may have, as well as proprietary technology. Any information about research and development, that is R&D, can also be included into it. The third one is market analysis, which is the most important factor to be part of the business plan. A firm needs to have a good handle of the industry as well as of the target market. It will outline who the competition is and how it factors into the industry, along with its strengths and weaknesses. It will also describe the expected consumer demand for what the businesses are selling and how easy or difficult it may be to grab the market share from the incumbents. The next one is marketing strategy, popularly known as go-to-market strategy into startup ecosystem. This section of the business plan describes how the company will attract and keep its customer base and how it intends to reach to the consumers. This means a clear distribution channel need to be outlined into this section. It will also spell out the advertising as well as marketing campaign plans and through what types of media those campaigns will exist on. Now the next section, which is the most important part when it comes to investors, that is the financial planning. In order to attract the party which is reading this business plan, the company should include the financial planning and future projection. In startup, it is generally 3-year or 5-year projections. Financial statements, balance sheets, and other financial information may be included for already established businesses. New businesses will instead include targets and estimates for the first few years of the business and any potential investors. The last part, which is the most important and is the sweetheart of finance team, budgeting. It needs to be included into the business plan. It includes costs related to staffing, development, manufacturing, marketing, and any other expense related to the business. Great. So these were the elements of business plan, which are like the backbone of any business plan. And there are some sections of business plan which you can include or remove depending on the audience in front of whom you are going to present this business plan.